Hey there YouTube. Today I'm doing a video review on this Style Selections fountain that I got at Lowe's for $233. Instructions seem simple enough. There's the LED lights. Here's part E, part D, part C, part B, part F, pedestal, part A. This very fragile looking pipe here is part G. It's like a very thin plastic. I can flex it with barely any pressure. Then a washer, part H, whatever M is, a cap, and then some string. Twists and kind of just locks on the base. Alright. Pull the cord through. There's a little notch in the bottom that the cord sets in. I guess the threaded part will go down. So with these instructions, I'm not 100% sure where this cap goes. It just shows it pointing towards the assembly. I'm going to guess that it's to keep this cord from sliding around on this plastic pipe and getting cut. So it goes over the cord to kind of pinch it. That's just my best guess. I know the lighting's kind of poor, but you can see the two keyed slots that this sits in. The base kind of locks in and screws to the first pedestal, but after that everything's just kind of gravity fit. Alright, and then a washer. And I guess this just kind of screws on. Holds this whole wobbly thing together. Alright. Kind of lackluster so far. I guess I didn't realize the top thing didn't light up. So only the bottom two light up, which is kind of weird. And maybe my patio is not flat, but the whole thing's kind of leaning to the right there. It's definitely seated. Maybe that's better. Let's try that. I think I like that better. But let's put the top on. Excuse the dirty bedroom. It seems like this one is a little off kilter. I don't know if it's by design. In the photos on the box, they show the stream going down directly to where the second output is. So it would be going output, output. But to get it to actually balance and use all of the waterfalls or whatever, it has to be slightly cocked here. So maybe a QC issue, maybe by design, I don't know. But I'm gonna let this thing run all night and see what happens. Alright, and I left this running all night and it's lost a little bit of water. You can see the circle of water from the splashes as it kind of sprinkles out. They do give you strings to tie in. You are going to have to drain this every now and then anyway, so you're going to add water every now and then anyway. It does seem to lose water pretty quick even though it's in the shade. Alright, and for the threads, it looks like you just take the thread, run it up one spout, over, and then down, and it kind of just holds on there. I guess that works. Alright, we're 4 days in. I set this up on Monday night. It's now Thursday night. So it's actually only 3 days in. And the bottom reservoir is really low now. And not all of the fountains are running anymore. I guess I need to level it better. But still, this probably relies on rain to replenish it. Alright, let this water set in here for a week and it's not draining, so it was just evaporation and not a leak. I'll finish this video now, and in a few months at the end of the summer I'll post a follow-up video. Thanks for watching.